How to open a Wells Fargo savings account online. To open a Wells Fargo savings account online, you can follow these steps. You want to go to the Wells Fargo website and click on the Open an Account tab. Select Savings Account, and then you want to enter your personal information such as your name, address and social security number. You then want to choose a savings account type. Wells Fargo offers a variety of savings account, so choose the one that best meets your needs. You then want to set up direct deposits. This will help you avoid overdraft fees and lets you earn interest on your money. You then have to choose a savings account nickname, and this will help you easily identify your account when you're making transactions. Then review and accept the terms and conditions, and then click on the Open Account button. Once you've opened your savings account, you can start making deposits and withdrawals online at any Wells Fargo branch. Here are some things to keep in mind when opening a Wells Fargo savings account online. You must be at least 18 years old to open an account. You will need to provide a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. You may be required to make a minimum deposit to open the account, and there may be monthly fees associated with the account. And here are some additional tips for opening a Wells Fargo savings account online. You want to make sure you have all the required documentation ready before you start the application process. You want to review the terms and conditions carefully before you open the account. And you want to keep a copy of your account opening paperwork in a safe place. And that is exactly how you can open a Wells Fargo savings account online. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.